Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Esperance 0. I'm joined by the double pivot. Get doctor. Okay, no, get that good, sir. Mr. Chochi.
No. I think I'll go Mr. Steve Compella, Mbulisi Ubra Kuto, Mbulisi Obrayola. Ever failed to fighting no one tried to fix African football, Steve.
That's it.
We were supporting Mamelodi Sundowns, Steve. We have no fear of saying that.
Yeah.
But ezinye izinto kumele sibe honest bafethu.
Be honest, brother. Be honest.
Ezinye izinto kumele sikhulume ivara. We were supporting them, but we are not going to shy away from the truth that they benefited from this game.
Sure.
We are not going to shy away from the truth that I think I speculate and allegedly so I think the money of the mine has worked. Has done his job today, Steve.
Yes.
Akumele sibe honest, Steve. There was no offside there.
Okay.
There was no offside, Steve. They benefited.
Yeah.
And if they're going to win this thing by backdoor, it's going to be like 2016. But today they benefited, Steve.
Sure.
Even if you can check the pictures of the VAR, Steve. Remember, VAR is an AI programmed system, Steve. There must be a red line and a blue line.
Okay.
Or a green line.
Yeah.
But on those pictures, if you check them, there's only green line.
What
does that say? There's a red line that is line similar to the what? To the blue line. There was no offside, Steve.
Oh, blue line ke gore
The last person, then the red line is the one who's offside. There was no red line, there was nowhere to be seen. Steve, no. We have to be honest, Steve. We have to be honest. Das announced Europile, Das announced benefited.
Sure.
Das announced it was corruption, full corruption. They are ruining South African football in terms of if they want to do those kind of things.
Yeah.
Pure roping there, Steve. And also questioning the referee. Why didn't he go and review the thing? Because Udu Uchida just to wait to listen. I don't know whether he was waiting for Colonna. But I remember Capitec had technical issues in the past few weeks. Nerapala go transfer Izaga. What if there was a technical issue? He failed the guy who was talking to him. He failed to transfer the money and he needed to wait for the POP.
Yeah.
Man, let's be honest, Steve.
Steve,
I can be hate or anything.
Yes.
By the word of Scosma Puman cancelling, I don't care who says what,
Yes.
Steve. Honestly speaking, Sundowns robbed, their Sundowns benefited.
Yes.
But anyway, just like Pizzo, they benefited.
Yes.
They are not ashamed.
Yes.
Anyways, Katsawatu Romela police station, but anyways, they benefited. We are not going to shy away from that, Steve.
clear benefiting.
Clear benefiting. We are not going to shy out. With no doubt, Steve. With no doubt.
Yes.
But anyways, they benefited anyways, no problem. It was just a manner of maybe showing the North Africans that they need to stop disrespecting us because they came to our country, they disrespected us. So maybe this is a revenge of saying, you disrespected us, we're going to rob you.
Sure.
But anyways, let's go to the games, Tibo. I think
there's a green and a red line.
There's a red line and a green line.
That's the thing.
Yeah, there's two lines.
Sure.
But on that one, there was only one line. Meaning the red line is down there. If you go and check the game of Asfarabad and Pyramid right now, and check the offside, the chronological offside that came there, there was a red line and a blue line.
Sure.
But to the game, as Sundowns, there was no red line, only blue line. What does that say? AI, Kappa VAR put that line below the blue line to show these people they are on the same direction, they are on the same point. There's no offside. But anyways, reclaring. They are working there. They cooked something there.
Sure.
Steve. They cooked. No doubt they cooked, Steve. And I don't care who says what. By the way, of course, Mapuman cancelling. Anyways, let's go to the game, Steve. I think Sundowns today, they played a 4-3-3 formation, Steve. Mologoro Kopili, so two strikers, which is Sales and Peter Shalolile. But anyway, Sales, we always say this thing, man. Sales, I get come now, Steve. Let's be honest, Steve. I don't care who says what. I scamless.
Yeah.
I scam. Let's be honest, he didn't give anything to the game, Steve. I think if they had trainers, they could have won the game early in the game.
Yes.
But you go on Ukumana Ribeiro, number 10, doing his wonderful things, Steve. Akadi Pasela Shapang, there was a cross yellow. beile kara box, but unfortunately there was no one to convert because of Ukumana did the sales. But anyways, remove her again to the middle, Steve. Ukumana equality player like Mrembola, but fit. Now I don't care who says what that Lenguenya lazi bola, Steve. Kuluman ngabo Tele, Kuluman ngabo Mbata, Kuluman ngabo Makaula, and anything. I don't disrespect those guys. They are good, but Makaula, they're doing very well. And that's your but Mkwena is another at his own level, Steve. He never played in England, he never played in Europe, anything compared to Butele, but that guy is quality, Steve. Quality, Steve. Local is like Steve. You see him sometimes he add up to the defense. Sometimes when you go to the take, he add up playing as an anchor, quality player. Outside Bolo Steve, the pastor Heidi Munandi. But let's talk about Allende. The passes Allende need to be studied. Buffet, I ngeke Buffet. Honale young Shapile Uno like Ratosu. Ashapa back pass, but unfortunately because of today the wing plays down, there were no wingers who are come Kumana. But Hama passes while and need to be studied. That boy man is talented in fact. That guy is talented, Steve. Brazilian quality Steve. Quality language, Steve. You look at Adams, a man who coach says he makes a space for himself. You know, some things that Kuluma and anything, but that guy is good. Even statistically you can check look Bafana. He's better than many players in which we don't want to mention their names. But that guy is doing very remarkably very well. Steven. I think it has been said, I heard the videos when I was not available. I think Sundowns need to go back and pay those people, Stellenbosch, their real money. That is reasonable. Yeah. Because of Dalo Wanaba Shapil, Daba Ropile Stellenbosch, they didn't pay them enough money for that boy. Stellenbosch, but one thing about Stellenbosch, they're producing quality players, not quantity, just like other teams. Because of you see, like other teams, you go to that development, they're producing quantity, but Stellenbosch is producing quality, not with quantity, Steve. But you go defense, Kumana Suarez and Grant Kekana. High communication, they'll communicate, but they're sharp, but unfortunately there were some mistakes. Suarez, man, like I don't know, man. Suarez is quality, but sometimes Onalona Alekanyana go gaming. Sometimes he loses some got scripted in the out or gaming. Yeah. He loses the game, Steve. But anyways, what do you say about the quality of Kuliso Mudau? But if I still say and I still maintain this, I don't care who says what. Kuliso Mudau is the best right back in the country. I see them, the others, but that guy is quality, Steve. I don't care who says what. Yeah. That guy, I think even now go AFCON, we're gonna win AFCON Kayena. Remember this interview, we're gonna win AFCON because of Kuliso Mudau. That guy is talented, Steve. Yeah. That guy is talented. Home Matla Gopili, Otomo Kuman, he will give you the quality Kopili. Home Matla Gomora, he will always make those runs, those fast runs to recover you Gomorao. Yeah. But what do you say about the quality of Lunga today into this game? Some games Lunga was seeing him, but he was not doing very well. Remember that position is not consistent because sometimes you want to the one and sometimes you want to Mujiba. But I think now Lunga has recipes and to coach Kados or put me here. Yeah. Alengwenya is talented. Steve is one of the players that made Sundowns today to not concede goals. But unfortunately they conceded that goal. But anyways, it's a controversial one. But typically on the paper, he made Sundowns not to concede the goals because he played very well. He was putting his body on the risk. Talking about putting a body on the risk, what do you say about the best goalkeeper in the country, number 9 in the world, Steve? Yeah. Africa's number 1, Rowan Williams. Bafitula, that guy is talented, Steve. We need to talk about his quality. Like I'm minding Steve. Yeah. Sometimes like the defense is not doing very well. He will go out and protect those balls. There was a bowling watching, there was a collusion between him and the attacker Esperance. Steve, man, that guy is talented. Steve. Playing the position as Bobo always says, Steve. Yeah. Goalkeeper, sweeper, defender, quality, Steve. But Esperance, but anyways, today they improved, Steve. To be honest with you, they improved from their last game, Steve. I think today they applied pressure to Sundowns. You see this Esperance, this is the real Esperance that we know. This is the Esperance de Tunisia, not the one that we saw Call of Us, Esperance de Naturena. Remember, never to bet like your Chiefs. But anyways, Garada. No, they had bet like your Chiefs. And Coach Nabi Umono but Obaya Esperance or I must injure the Riberos and the Allende so that on Saturday they can be out. Okay, in the stadium, so you can see today the injuries they were going in and out. But what an intense game, Steve. When Coach Cardozo today playing as a left back, getting into the pitch sometimes Azala as a right back, Mola as a left back. But anyways, it was an intense game and it was a game in which we learned that Steve.
Man of the match?
No, man of the match, Steve, we gotta give it to Lunga, man. Man, he played very well. And secondly, you can give it even to Rowan Williams. They really gave their A game today. They really protected Sundowns by all odds, Steve. Even if there was controversial talks, but they really protected Sundowns and they have done very well. Yeah. And to this team, with that, with that Casablancas and their fans, they need to stop disrespecting us. These North Africans, as Peter said, these people are disrespecting us. Now they didn't pay Rulani Mukwena for 8 months, but they expect good result from him. Now Lodge wins the player of the month, and congratulations to Lodge. They do racist things on him. He doesn't deserve it. Hey, wara wara, black people, monkeys and everything.
Yeah.
It's a disrespect. But anyways, and if we need to go to the banks, if we need to go to Capitec, Motsepe have done a right job by disciplining those people. And tomorrow's Tiwo, let me say this words: there's no hatred, there's no banter, or there's no stupidity that will quantifies me to supporting North African teams over our teams. Tiwo. Tomorrow we wear black and white, Tiwo, to support Orlando Pirates. We wish them good luck and all the best. Also, even Stellenbosch, wish them the best of luck, Tiwo, against Zamalek. It's a tough game, that one, but wish them a good luck. Haraska Ropa, but anyways, Haraska Ropa, Haraska Shapari Brown envelope.
Thank you, Mama.